Hello everyone, wait is over and now we will discuss BARC Technical Officer Exam Preparation Strategy. So in this video I will discuss everything which is most important for you guys to understand all the points related to your preparation. Okay. Before going to our main video, I hope you know this is very much important opportunity for you guys. Second time we are getting the opportunity to join BARC in 2023. Okay, and especially for those whose age is 29 to 34. For you guys, it is the one of the opportunity where you have age limit of 35. Okay, very rare opportunity you will get now after BRC, because you know ISRO also reduces their age limit from 35 to 28. But fortunately, you guys are lucky that BARC is giving age limit up to 35. Okay, so make utilize this opportunity at your best. Okay, do your best, and main thing is that stick on the path that will definitely lead to success. Okay, form last date is 22nd of May, and now we will start our video. So the first important point, what is your expected exam date for BARC Technical Officer? The very important question, or in other words, till when we should complete the syllabus, right? The same thing is there. So you can expect your exam till or from July last week, okay, to August second week. In between, you can expect your exam. So at least we will try to complete the whole thing till 28th of July. Okay, we should be super ready till your 20th of July. And now the very important thing, many of you wondering that okay, they will only take interview. No, the thing is that basically see what they mention in notification clearly, that if responses are more, then they will definitely take the CBT, because it is not possible to interview more than 1,000 candidates for particular branch. Okay, so the thing is that see basically why responses will be more. First and very much important thing, age limit factor, the very much important. Okay, because you know age limit is 35 years for general I'm talking. Okay, then for OBC 38 and SST 41, up to 41 age limit is there. So because of this one criteria, you can expect more forms, more application form in BARC. Okay, second reason obviously it is BARC, so there is no doubt in that, right? Third, it is government job, central government job. Okay, pay, you know, group A gadgeted post. So yeah, these are the three powerful reasons because of which you can expect more number of applications. Okay, so don't think like okay, they will only conduct interview. No, they will conduct CBT because they has to. There is no option for them, right? So your exam tentatively you can schedule in July last week and August first second week. Before this, if I will get any update, then definitely I will notify you. Okay, now to get regular updates, your first job is to subscribe to the channel. Compulsory, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe. Second, in the comment section you will get WhatsApp group link. Okay, so join that WhatsApp group so that at one place you will get that okay, in a day how many videos are there. Okay, and whatever videos are relevant to you, you can just click and watch that. Okay, in 5 minutes, just in night when you are going to sleep, just give your 5 minutes and watch all the things, okay, at one place. So join WhatsApp group and Telegram channel, most important, right? Second important thing, now we will discuss about your exam pattern. Okay, see now whatever exam pattern I will show you, I am going to tell you, okay, that you can consider as a tentative, but 99% it will be there. Okay, but 1% chances are there that BARC may change the pattern, and definitely they will notify us later. Okay, but we don't have that much time to wait, so why we will consider this exam pattern as your final exam pattern, okay, for your preparation. So basically you will get 2 hours in your exam, that is your exam time. How much? 120 minutes. Okay, total questions you will get 75, and this 75 questions will be purely technical based on your branch. Okay, you are from civil, then you will get civil question. You are from electrical, you will get electrical question. Simple, right? Positive marking is there of 3 marks and negative marking is there of 1 mark. Okay, simple pattern of BRC, 75 question, 3 mark positive, 1 mark negative, and 2 hours time, right? This is the basic pattern. Now here calculator is not allowed, or they will not provide you calculator. Okay, again it may change, we need to see, we need to wait till the official. Okay, but for now you can say there will be no calculator. Okay, now you will ask me the level. So see basically now this is the golden opportunity for those candidates who failed in BRC OCS exam. Okay, why? Because the level of OCS was definitely great, I can say, for every branches, right? But for technical officer you can expect little lower layer as compared to OCS. Okay, so it will be easy to moderate. Again 99% the case will be it will be easy to moderate, but 1% chances are there that BARC may change the variation. Okay, they may take it little to the OCS level also. So definitely by considering these 2 factors we need to prepare. Okay, very important point. So now what I will do, basically I will discuss syllabus and strategy for each of the branches. Here below you can see the timestamp. Okay, so if you are from electronics communication, click on EC preparation strategy. If you are from mechanical, click on mechanical preparation strategy. Okay, and you can watch your branch content. Before going to that part, just subscribe to the channel and like the video compulsory. Okay, so first branch, electronics and communication, good opportunity for you guys, right? And I hope you watched earlier video that in your MSP, that is Master Success Pack, we are targeting BARC Technical Officer. Okay, so if you didn't join MSP yet, you can join that. Main thing is that CBT, plus interview will be there, okay, in your MSP. We will target it. Obviously, full process I need to follow because I want selection. Seems simple, right? Syllabus. What syllabus you need to cover? Network theory, signal system, analog electronics, data electronics, microprocessor, control system, communication, electromagnetic theory, measurement instrumentation, computer network, C programming, and data structure. This is the total syllabus which you will do for your technical officer exam. Now, most important thing, see here, okay, carefully just observe the things. From measurement and instrumentation, computer network, and C programming data structure, you can expect less question, okay? From C programming and data structures, you can expect somewhere around 2 questions, okay? From computer network also less question, measurement also less question, 1 2 1 2 like that, right? Now those who prepare for OCS exam, what you can do, basically you can just prepare or revise your measurement and instrumentation, because at the time of OCS, what I told you, this is the compulsory subject, okay, which you need to do for your BRC exam. So many of you, those who are connected to me for a long time, definitely I know that yes, you have good grip on measurement, right? So yes, you can do that revision, and the main focus will be on these subjects, right? Now, which subjects you can say that from which you can expect the high weightage, right? So first subject, definitely BARC favorite, that is your analog electronics always, right? Then second subject, you can expect electromagnetic theory, okay? Then third one, control system and communication system, okay? So these 4 subjects are very important for your EC. You can expect maximum question total from these 4 subjects. Obviously, it does not mean that you will skip all the subject, okay? You need to do all the things, whatever possible, but definitely take care of this subject and give special attention to these subjects, okay? The next thing, that level already I told, easy to moderate, right? Now, see, basically, when you will start your preparation one by one, you will complete the subjects, right? Then first, very important step is there, that concept building. And for concept building, basically, what you will do, you will practice GATE PYQ questions. Now, definitely in your block, I will add GATE PYQ, no need to worry for that, okay? Everything I am giving you in your MSP, no need to worry. Just listen carefully, because these steps are important. You can't skip that, right? So first priority is GATE PYQ. You can solve whatever questions are there, you can solve directly, okay? And then second, you can do ESC PYQ. Okay, ESC PYQ, that is engineering services, electronics PYQ, you can solve. These two you can solve. Why? To get the concept building and to get the confidence. Simple, right? Lots of things you will learn from here, so you can note down the things in your proper notes. Okay, make short notes from start only, subject wise, so that before your exam you can just have the revision of that, right? And second, BRC technical officer specific preparation you will get from our mock test and block test. That is your block wise strategy, which is most powerful. Okay, so these two will take care of your what BRC original exam. Okay, treat them as a original exam only, right? So by this you will complete your whole preparation, and definitely our IGP is there, no need to worry for that. Okay, just focus on your CBT, and remember CBT is only qualifying in nature. Okay, no need to score high marks here. We need to just qualify, because your whole selection is depend on interview, right? So I hope everything is clear, and now you can start your preparation. Soon I will announce your blockwise strategy, because from next week only we are starting our blockwise strategy. Okay, so I will definitely announce that. And if you have any query, any doubt regarding this recruitment, regarding anything, you can comment on below. Also fill the form properly and quickly, right? All the best. Electrical. So now from electrical, what is the syllabus? So network theory, signal system, analog electronics, data electronics and microprocessor, control system, power system, electromagnetic theory, measurement and instrumentation, power electronics and machine, electric machine. Okay. So these are the 10 subjects you need to study for your BARC exam. Now definitely in MSP, that is your Master Success Pack, we are targeting BARC, both CBT and interview, obviously whole selection process. Okay, so you can join MSP, and in the next week, from next week, we will start our block wise strategy, which is most important. Okay, high weightage subject for electrical, so you can expect more questions from analog electronics. Okay, second question is from control system, then electromagnetic theory, power electronics and machine. Okay, so from these 5 you can expect good number of questions in your electrical. So now when you will complete one by one each subject, suppose you complete network theory, then signal system, like that, then the most important thing you will do chapter wise practice of questions. And which questions you will practice? So GATE PYQ, okay, whatever previous year questions are there of GATE and ESC, both you will practice chapter wise. This will help you to build the concept and to gain the confidence in the concept. Okay, and BARC technical offices specific preparation you will do from our block and mock. Okay, so from this you will get clear idea that what questions they can ask you in BARC along with the pattern, okay, of question, everything. So these are the things you will do for your BARC exam. Now you know the syllabus, everything, every detail I already told you. So now it's time to start your preparation. Okay, if you have any query, any doubt, definitely you can connect to me on Instagram, WhatsApp, Telegram and application also. All the best. So next branch is instrumentation. So first we will discuss syllabus. So you need to study network theory, signal system, analog electronics, data electronics and microprocessor, control system, electromagnetic theory, measurement instrumentation, communication, optical instrumentation, sensor and industrial instrumentation. Okay, so this is the whole syllabus for your instrumentation. Now from which subject you can expect good number of questions in BRC. So first is your signals and system, then electromagnetic theory, then control system, obviously communication, optical instrumentation and measurement and instrumentation. So from this 5, you can expect a good number of questions, but it does not mean that you will skip all the things, okay? You need to complete the whole syllabus as possible. Now, obviously, in your Master Pack, we are targeting BRC. So those who are from instrumentation, you can join Master Pack of electronics only, okay? In that, you will get second folder of instrumentation. In that, you can view that, okay? So Master Pack of electronics, you will join for instrumentation preparation, and definitely both we will cover CBT and interview. After CBT, interview will be there, okay? Now, most important thing, GATE PYQ and GATE PYQ question you will practice, okay, after completion of each subject. So I want that chapter wise you should start your GATE PYQ practice, okay, which will give you confidence in the concept. And second, our block and mocks is there. That is mock test, okay, very important because it acts as a question bank, okay. So with block and mock, you will get proper idea of exact BRC pattern, okay. Whatever is possible, definitely we will target in this, right? So this is all about your instrumentation syllabus and strategy. Now start your preparation, and if you have any query, doubt, definitely you can comment down below on Instagram, WhatsApp or Telegram also. All the best. Next branch is computer science. Now first we will discuss the syllabus, okay, what subjects you need to study. So first subject is C programming, then data structures, algorithm, computer network, detailed logic, computer organization, theory of computation, compiler, operating system, database, C++, Java and software engineering, okay. So these are the 12 subjects you need to study for your BRC exam. Now from which you can expect a good weightage or good number of questions, okay, out of 75. So first is your C programming, okay, then algorithm, computer network, computer organization, COA and architecture, okay, and last is your operating system. So from this 5, you can expect a good number of questions. Now the most important thing, if you want to skip C++, Java, you can skip, there is no problem in that, okay. Software engineering also, if you want to skip, you can skip that, but if you already studied, then just revise and that's it, you are ready for this, okay. Now in your master success pack of computer science, we are targeting BRC, as you already saw, right, both CBT plus interview, definitely whole selection process, because we want selection, correct. So whatever guidelines I will give in the master pack, that you can follow, and those who want to join Master Pack, if you are preparing seriously for BRC, then you join ASAP, because from next week we are starting our block wise strategy, okay. So this time we are starting with early, okay, because only we have 30 to 50 days in our hand, that's why, right. So if you join early, definitely you will get advantage, otherwise no use to join, no use if you are joining before 10 days, 15 days, okay, because whatever we are doing, it is a step by step process, okay. Now chapter wise, when you will complete the things, first important thing you will do, that is you will practice GATE PYQ questions, right. Definitely it is included in our mock and block test, okay, no need to worry. Then from block and mock, you will get proper idea that, okay, what pattern you can expect in BRC, what level of question you will exactly get, because mock test is very much important, okay, and block wise strategy is also there, which will help you to finish your preparation properly, correct. Okay, so this is all about your computer science branch. So now you can start your preparation. If you have any query and doubt, definitely you can comment down below. Next branch is mechanical. So first we will discuss the syllabus. Fluid mechanics, heat transfer, thermodynamics and application, engineering material, casting, forming, joining, machining and machine tool operation, metrology inspection, engineering mechanics, then mechanics of material, machine design, production planning control, computer integrated manufacturing and inventory control. Okay, so these are the 13 subjects which you need to study for your BRC exam. Now let me tell you some high weightage subject that from which you can expect good number of questions. So first will be your fluid mechanics, okay, then second heat transfer, third will be thermodynamics and application, then engineering mechanics and mechanics of material. Okay, so these are the 5 high weightage subject you can expect for your BRC exam. Definitely have good idea about all subjects, but have special attention on this 5. Okay, now for practice purpose, when you will complete chapter wise, then you can solve our GATE PYQ, whatever previous year are there from GATE exam. Okay, you can just solve that. Along with that, you can combine EAC PYQ. Okay, so this will be enough. And about your mock test, definitely I will think for mechanical branch. If responses are good for mechanical, then I will launch Master Pack for mechanical. Okay, it depends on your responses. So in the comment section, let me know whether you want Master Pack for mechanical or not. Okay, so if you have any query and doubt, you can comment down below. You can DM me on Instagram. Also on application I am available. So just start your preparation now. Every guidelines I have already given you. And the last branch is civil. So in civil, basically first syllabus, engineering mechanics, structure analysis, construction, concrete and steel structure, soil mechanics, foundation engineering, fluid mechanics, hydraulics, hydrogen irrigation, transportation infrastructure and geomatics engineering. Okay, so these are the 11 subjects which you need to study. And after studying each of the subject, just solve GATE PYQ questions. Okay, that is GATE PYQ, and your ESC, that is engineering service PYQ. Okay, so these PYQ questions you can practice to get good idea, confidence and concept building of each and every subject. Okay, so this is all about your syllabus and everything. Every guidance I already give in this video. If you have any other query, you can definitely comment down below. Don't forget to join Telegram channel and subscribe to the channel if you are new to the channel. Okay, like the video, and I will meet you in the next video.